Little Rhyme Station.
In our class we sit just right. Eyes are watching, faces bright. Ears are open, voices low. Ready now to learn and grow.
Listen, listen every day. Kind and calm is how we play. Follow rules, big and small. Learning together, one and all.
When I have something to say, I raise my hand and wait my way. I don't shout, I don't call. Teacher hears us one and all.
Hands up, nice and slow. Take our turns and help us grow. Follow rules, big and small. Learning together, one and all.
We use kind words, soft and sweet. Sharing toys and sharing seats. Helping friends is what we do. School is fun for me and you.
Hundreds kind words every day. That's the happy school way. Follow rules, big and small. Learning together, one and all.
When it's time to stop and go, clean up toys and place them low. Books and bags all put away. Great job, class, hooray, hooray.
Listen.